Hey, hi guys and girls. This is a little how-to in case you bash up your driver's side or passenger side exterior mirror and you need to replace it. And I know they stick out like elephant ears, so don't do what I did and wreck the door panel to get it off. There's a better way to do it. So I got a lot of tape on mine just because of what I accidentally did before. But it's so easy just to take the door panel off. You don't need to, you can be more careful. So the first thing you do, in most people's cases, you're gonna pop this door panel off, this little piece off here, and just kind of let that hang over. What I end up doing, I just take these little switch covers out of here. I'll just pull these right out. And that gets this whole thing right out of the way. Just pull those right out of there, get them out of your way. And I already put the window down, by the way. Just get that out of there. Then you're going to take a 7mm. Works really good for the little bolts in the door. That'll focus. It's a 7mm socket. So you see there's one screw right here by your door handle. Take that off. There's one little tiny screw that holds that whole thing on. And then the next one is down here by your little light lens. So you just gotta pop that little lens off. See, that comes right out. And do the other screw. Take that one out. That's how easy it is to get the door panel off, really. I took mine off the first time. I didn't realize what I was doing. It was cold out. Tried bending the door panel down and crack. So it falls apart easily. Let's lift it up. A couple of hooks to hold it on. So yeah, you take this whole door panel right out. And there's one little more piece in the corner here. You're just going to pop this little cover off here. Right in the corner right here. Just kind of snaps out. I should have took that off first. And kind of get all your wires down in there. You're pretty much just going to lift this whole piece right out. See, that's all it is. If you can find a new piece of yours is cracked, good luck. Haven't been able to find one online yet. I'm going to find some of this, get rid of their door panel and replace it someday. Alright, now that you got all that out, you're going to go over here and pop these little covers off. Just put them aside. Need those, put those back in later. At that point, you're going to come back over your door panel. You're going to find this little harness right here. See a little thing? That's where your power mirror, everything plugs in if you have the power mirrors. I'm just going to pull that out. Any luck, it'll just slide out. There you go. So that's a little harness. The mirrors you get should be able to fit that harness. And you just going to push that in the door panel a little bit. So you're going to use a 10mm socket. Any kind you got, one that's 10mm. All I got is an impact socket available, so I'll use that. It fits in there, right? So you kind of get that in there. Spin that nut off. Be careful, don't let it fall down into the door. You don't want that hanging around there. If you have trouble breaking them, you might just have to get your socket, your ratchet out. That breaks. Get them started with that. This is all here. Then I'll use the socket of the wrench, the drill later. So. Alright, we got them all loosened now, so let's continue. So we're just gonna keep loosening. And try to keep the pieces from falling down the door. I'll just sit there rattling and rattling forever, so if you can help it. fucking stud there. But okay, so once you get all that off, take this mirror out. Just take the whole thing out. Throw it out aside. Now your new mirror, they come with the bolts on. Don't forget to take all the bolts off the new mirror. Because if you forget, you'll be taking all the way back off and taking those off. I know because I did it before. Get all those out. And the same way, just kind of prep it. You can do this ahead of time if you want, but yeah. So I guess they do have come with wing nuts. Didn't look like it. They're easy to miss inside there though. Alright, so the stud came off the mirror, so we're going to have to hold the other end. Pair of pliers while we try to loosen, get that stud off. I think it's loose. Just hold it here, we'll flip it off. There we are. There's the stud that sits in your mirror. It's like a coarse thread. I guess it got stuck off. Probably would have knocked the mirror off. Alright, so we got all that ready. Looks pretty clean there. I'm not going to mess around with it too much. If you want to take a rag, wipe it down, whatever. It's cool. Alright, so you're going to get your wire in through this hole right here. See right here, you're going to put the wire in. Then you're going to get these, push that down to the door. You'll feed it through the other side after. And then we're going to try it. Move me around here, camera. So once you get your mirror in there, get at least one bolt to hold this thing up. Yeah, there you go. Just keep continuing, putting the bolts back in, one by one. Get them all in there. Kind of snug it up nice. Again, we're just using our 10mm socket. These little bolts that we took off earlier, they come with them too, new ones. I'm just going to find that wire that should be down here. And we can just easily feed that through to here. Go through the door panel. Slip it in there. Just snap that in. And we get our speaker back on. I had to modify some speakers here as they wouldn't fit right. That's why these look different. Just put them back in. And throw your little cover things in. Push those on. Throw the door panel back on and you're done. There's our new mirror. Once you get the door panel back on, just reverse what you did and you're all set.